Hey everyone, Tim Schofield here. It's time to do an unboxing on the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G from Samsung. And yes, I know I've already created videos on this device in the past, which I can link to down below, but this video is going to be a little bit different. This is actually certified renewed from Samsung. Big thanks to Samsung for sponsoring this video and sending the Galaxy S20 Plus for us to check out. Now, with Samsung's Certified Renewed program, there's a ton of different perks, some that you might not think of. So obviously, there's a lot of different Galaxy devices you can pick up for a lower price. And with this S20 Plus, we're gonna do an unboxing, see what comes in the box of a Certified Renewed device, and of course, check the build quality, make sure it's up to par. It should be a like-new device. And of course, we're gonna talk about other benefits of buying through Samsung Certified Renewed program. So let's get started. Check out the Certified Renewed Galaxy S20 Plus 5G from Samsung. Here is the Galaxy S20 Plus 5G, and that sticker in the upper left-hand corner lets you know it is Certified Renewed from Samsung. And one of the biggest perks of buying Certified Renewed is the cost savings. This Galaxy S20 Plus retails for $750, which actually is $400 less than the original price. So inside the box, you've got your SIM ejection tool, information guide, Samsung Care Plus, where you can get additional coverage if you so need it, and lets you know it's installed with a screen protector. Now, here we go. Here is the phone itself. I'm gonna set it to the side for just a second, and we're gonna take a look what else comes inside. Now, I also wanna make note, not only do you have those cost savings, but also they have a trade-in program. So if you have a device to trade in, you can get even more savings. Finally, you get your USB Type-C to USB Type-C charging cable, and worth mentioning, it's a great way you could potentially get a 5G phone at a lower price so you don't have to buy some of the latest flagships brand new. Information about your limited warranty. So how exactly does a Galaxy device get this Certified Renewed label on the box, as you can see? Now, these devices are extensively tested and also covered by the same manufacturer's warranty that you would get on a Galaxy device brand new. So the same 1-year manufacturer's warranty from Samsung. The Samsung technicians also have a strict refurbishing program where they wipe the data, they assign new security identifiers so it is completely secure, and then of course use genuine Samsung parts to rebuild to make it like new. Here is our Galaxy S20 Plus 5G. Since it's certified refurbished, I definitely want to check out the build quality. We'll take a closer look at that. Also want to mention, Samsung has been using less and less packaging throughout their devices, which is very eco-friendly. However, buying a certified refurbished phone is also very eco-friendly because you're reusing a phone, not buying a brand new one. And reusing a phone will save you at least 121 pounds of CO2 emissions, which is actually equal to the CO2 that 2.5 trees will capture in a year. So just peeled off this back plastic. Everything looks and feels great. There is a front screen protector, and you'll notice that there's a hole there for our fingerprint scanner. I'm going to peel this off just for the sake of the video. You can leave yours on if you'd like to. So let's turn on our Galaxy S20 Plus. Initial impressions, it looks and feels like a brand new phone while it boots up. Let's take a closer look though. Quick note, that film I peeled off wasn't actually the screen protector. The screen protector is on the phone. It is kind of hard to tell, but there definitely is one there. So nice that this phone comes with one pre-installed. And here's just a close look at the hardware so you can take a look and notice that it seems pristine, to be honest. After looking at this up close, no scratches whatsoever, no sign of wear or tear on this device. And realistically, I'm gonna be honest, I deal with a lot of brand new devices. If this was up against a brand new Galaxy S20 Plus, I don't think I'd be able to tell the difference between this and a brand new one. And I want to point out and take a closer look at that pro-grade quad camera system, which in my opinion still does hold up. You have 3 lenses that I look for in every flagship phone: wide-angle lens, telephoto lens for zooming, and an ultra-wide-angle lens as well. The 4th lens on this phone is depth sensing. And don't forget, this phone can shoot 8K video, so capabilities that current flagships are coming out with now. I ran through the setup process, and take a look at that gorgeous 6.7-inch AMOLED display the S20 Plus has. And not only is it AMOLED, but it also has a 120 hertz refresh rate, which again is something that newer flagships are coming out with, so by no means is this phone outdated. That 120 hertz refresh rate makes everything seem so smooth, whether you're scrolling through a web page, watching a video, or even just doing some gaming on your phone. Inside the Galaxy S20 Plus, you get a 4,500 milliamp hour battery, but want to mention the battery in this phone is brand new. Actually, any of the Samsung certified renewed phones that you get a brand new battery inside. Nice touch from Samsung. So if you're looking for a recent flagship at a good price, definitely be sure to check out the Certified Renewed devices on Samsung's website. I can link to it down below. You also get benefits that you wouldn't get from a third-party seller or refurbished sites, such as that warranty inspection from Samsung, even a new battery. That's such a nice perk to have. Samsung offers payment options, and if you have a device to trade in, you can save even more money on top of how much you're already saving buying Certified Renewed. So again, if you're looking for a very recent flagship device at a great price and a like-new condition, like I said, this seemed like a brand new device out of the box. Of course, all links will be down in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video. Be sure to give it a thumbs up. Drop a comment. Let me know if you're picking up one of these Certified Renewed devices from Samsung. As always, thanks for watching.